Hi, Mrs. Holmes. Henry, are you there?
I'm here.
Okay, great. Let me just get my mother on this call.
Oh, I wasn't quite ready. Hi, this is Debbie.
Oh, hi, Debbie. Namaskar. Myself, Mrs. Potongia. My daughter, Mommy, marry your son, Henry. Very good news.
I am so excited to get an India daughter-in-law. Your husband, Mr. Singh, he wears a turban.
No, see, Potongia and turban, mane paguri. But why?
Mom, you're being ridiculous. That's the Sikh community. Not all Indians wear it.
That they don't?
You are drinking drink.
Just sipping a glass of wine.
I also tasted last time I visited. Her drinks. Here nobody knows. That glass is crystal, no? I also have in my drawing room showcase full set, but not for use purpose. If one break, full set incomplete, cannot take risks.
Oh, you like them? I have many. I can send you some.
Oh, no, that is not required. First time gift, present, drinking glass. My family conservative. If anyone know, then will think Phorein Jowain, mane son-in-law family all alcohol.
Alcoholic koi ma. Control korasun.
If you want to give present, you can give Bombay dyeing type bed sheet, bed cover.
Ma, laz nidiba sun tak Bombay dyeing nai. Ja. Mrs. Holmes, she's only joking.
Moi kiba kolei beya pao. Okay, let us talk global issue. We have so much corona here, corona there, corona everywhere.
At the beginning of the pandemic, there was no toilet paper on the shelves in the store. But now there is plenty of toilet paper. I can send you some.
Oh, no, we have water. You such a modern country, but water problem, so toilet paper use.
Yes, we have water, but toilet paper is a must, right? I first heard about India in the film Gandhi. He passed away a few years ago, right?
Mom, seriously. I gave you that book on India a month ago. You don't do your homework.
Oh no, Mahatma Gandhi died in 1948. I born very late, 1970, 88.
1988? Ooh, you had a child marriage.
Ma, phaki kyo mari asa?
1970 something, I forget.
Pandemic or no pandemic, we need to have this wedding in a couple of months.
If we get ticket on sale, Mr. and I also come for wedding. Debbie, how many house do you have?
I live in a big house.
But not any for rent purpose? So then what is your source of income after retirement?
Bhara ghor na thake nohoy.
You must come here after marriage. I will introduce you to Rhino.
You have rhinos as pets? We have dogs and cats.
Oh, no. Rhino is Kaziranga National Park. And then I will take you to Kamaikha Temple. Oh, you are Christian, no? Not allowed.
Of course you'll be allowed. Ma, ite religionor kotha kobole dhorisa. Too much.
We'll take you to the banks of the mighty Brahmaputra for sunset viewing.
I would love to swim there.
Oh, no. Ladies here not allowed to swim open. Mommy, to halfway jodi swimsuit eta pinhai ulai nohoy, amar nak kan kota jabo de, tatke mori thokai bhal.
I am so excited to visit India. I've heard about the Taj Mahal and the slums and the street children. Jai ho, jai ho, jai ho, jai ho, jai ho, jai ho. I love that tune.
That's the India projected in the Western world, Mrs. Holmes. In reality,
শাহুৰ লগত কেতিয়াও তৰ্ক নকৰিবি দেই আমাৰ কালচাৰত নাই সেইটো
Mommy, relax.
Let me sing for you.
Mom, you're...
I want to tell you all a story about a Harper Valley widowed wife.
I know another English song
Ma!
Daughter who attended Harper Valley Junior High.
My heart is beating keeps on repeating I'm
Boom, boom, boom.
Mommy, can we please?
Harper Valley PTA.
beating time is beating
I'm going to disconnect.
night good